Let's take a turn to our weather now. Alyssa, it has been a gloomy, nasty, whatever adjective you want to put in there, and it looks like it's going to keep continuing, right?
It will, unfortunately. I mean, that camera shot there says it all. It's just cloudy and gray, and you can even tell that with the sun dropping and it's late at night, and you can just tell we're in that kind of a pattern. Still looks really pretty though at the Indianapolis Zoo. Earlier today, we'll show you a time lapse here from the Zionsville Golf Club of Indiana. Cloudy and overcast skies throughout the day as we continue to press on through the time here. Not much changes with the sky coverage. We're just looking at cloudy conditions and overcast. It's been so cloudy for the last 5 days. We've been at Indianapolis at least at 100% cloud coverage over the last 5 days. That's incredible. 41 right now in Indy, where it's raining just a little bit. The dew point temperature is at 39, and once again, we've been talking about this for the last week. These temperatures are going to be so close together, the dew point temperature and the air temperature, and when that happens, it's so important right now, and especially when you see the fog outside. It's because those two numbers, when the air temp cools down, it's the base of where clouds form, and so the reason why it matters here in our forecast is once again tomorrow morning, it'll be tough to see at times when you are out on the road. So this morning we had areas of dense fog, even an advisory out, but tomorrow morning it shouldn't be quite as bad, but that kind of misting and fog will still be present. Look at the range from our low temperatures today to our highs in the afternoon. We hit 39 degrees in Indianapolis, which by the way is 10 degrees above normal. We should go below freezing this time of year. We are well into December after all. 39 to 43. So a 4-degree range there from the low to high temperature from this morning to in the afternoon hours. Now I will say, despite that, we've had a little bit of a wind chill, so it's felt like we were in the mid 30s in Indianapolis. That's what it feels like right now at 36 degrees. 38 to the north in Kokomo, and some low 40s out there. It doesn't take much though. We talk about this a lot, just a light breeze, and well, in Indy it's picking up a little bit stronger here at 8 miles an hour, but it doesn't take a whole lot to make it feel much cooler, especially the time of year that we are dealing with. Very light rain showers here. This did not amount to much at all over the course of the day. We're talking, wow, 1/100th of an inch in Muncie, and this is the measurable rainfall that we got. So most locations saw a drizzle, trace amounts, and we know we've been talking about the drought conditions and how much we need that rain. I think coming up this week we'll have a much better chance to see some more measurable rainfall. On the satellite and radar, you can tell the overcast, cloudy conditions have brought in a little bit of moisture, but just not much. In fact, in the short term here, we're not going to see much sunshine. Now, coming up for Sunday, as we are a little bit drier, notice the southern half of the state, you could see a little bit of clearing in the cloud coverage here, but that's at 3:30 p.m. Sun is setting just after 5, so you don't get a lot if you get some of that daylight and if you're lucky enough to see those breaks in the cloud. Monday's kind of the same deal. It's going to be a good mix of sun and clouds, more so the chance to see sunshine for the southern half of the state, but there's just not going to be a lot of it. And then we finally clear out as we head into Tuesday. Things are going to start to change. We will have a pattern shift as temperatures start to cool off. Still in that rainfall deficit of half an inch over that for the start of December. We're well over a week into it, and we are looking at that deficit of over half an inch of rainfall. Temperatures back into the mid 40s for tomorrow, with mostly we're going to go cloud heavy tomorrow as well. If you're south of I-70, the second half of the day you might see a little sun, but not much. We get better rain showers, a better chance for measurable rain coming up on Wednesday, and then notice the big drop in temperatures with some moisture sticking around. On Friday we put some flurries in the forecast, so we could see some areas of some light snow popping up, or trying to at least.
Thanks, Alyssa. Coming up in sports, a big night of